This video is sponsored by Surfshark VPN. At the end of this video, I'll show you how to surf the web without a trace. Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy S11. So we have some brand new information on the Samsung Galaxy S11. One of them is a confirmation of an amazing feature that is coming to the S11, and the other one is a missing design element that might disappoint some people, and it might actually make other people happy. So let's dive in and get started. So let me give you a quick summary about the S11. So we do know that the release date of the S11 is going to be February 2020, either in the middle or towards the end. We are going to be getting a brand new camera sensor. We're still going to have a punch hole cutout on the top middle of the smartphone. Anyway, let's dive into the actual news of today. So the biggest tweet that I've seen this week for the S11 has to do with the fact that the S11 is guaranteed to have at least 90 Hz refresh rate on its display, and 120 Hz is also likely. So MKBHD made a tweet about the Star Wars editions of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 that's coming out in December, and in the same tweet he also pleaded with Samsung to make the display of their next phone, which is the S11, 90 Hz. And to that, Ice Universe actually responded saying 90 Hz is 100% and 120 Hz is also very likely. So that's fantastic news. At this point, we know that 90 Hz in the least, if this tweet is true and if Ice Universe is to be trusted, and I think he is, we are at least getting 90 Hz on the display. So that's number one. Number two, this also comes from Ice Universe. He has confirmed that the Samsung Galaxy S11 is not going to have the waterfall design that we saw on the latest Huawei smartphones. So with a waterfall design, we have super curved edges where the display curves all the way to the corners, unlike the Note 10 and the S10 that do have a curve but is limited. So the S11 is not going to have this crazy around the display curve, which I think is actually very good, but some people might be disappointed that see this curve, the extra curve, as a new feature. Now, I think the curves on the Note 10 and the S10 and the S9, they're just right. They're not too much and not too less. They give the phone a nice design, but the super curved, I'm not a big fan of it, but at least from my perspective, I'm happy that it's not coming out. Now, some people might be disappointed. You can drop a comment down below and let me know. And that's it for today, guys. If you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, or any extra information, let me know down below. And for now, have a fantastic day, all right? All right, so let's talk about your privacy. Guys, please make sure you protect yourself while you're browsing the web. The problem today is we are being watched, especially when we go out and connect to a public Wi-Fi, whether that be a coffee shop, an airplane, or a hotel room. The moment you connect to a public Wi-Fi, all the data on your computer is potentially exposed, including your passwords, your financial data, and your browsing history. These things are supposed to be 100% private without any compromises. And that's why you need a VPN service to put you under a military-grade encryption so you can become untraceable and unhackable. And of course, my recommendation for this task is going to be Surfshark VPN, a top-rated VPN service. Now, Surfshark VPN will not only protect you in a public Wi-Fi, but also in your home, because believe it or not, even your service provider is capable of watching all your online activity. All this has to remain private. What you do is your business. Now, if you go to surfshark.deal/SAKITECH, you're going to get a massive 83% off. Plus, you're going to get 3 months of free service as part of their Black Friday campaign. And on top of that, you've got nothing to lose because you also get a 30-day money-back guarantee. So make sure to use the link surfshark.deals/SAKITECH, which is also linked down below. Guys, it's time to become a ghost.